E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Bem, peço para quem estiver chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Compartilhe o vídeo no canal. Participe da comunidade do Discord. Quem quiser fazer uma doação Pix também, sejam todos bem-vindos. Vocês vão me ajudar pra caramba. Bom galera, e o último recado, quem estiver acompanhando pela Twitch também, não se esqueçam de de acompanhar meu canal principal pelo YouTube, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Anotaram Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras de Arthur Morgan depois de quase uma semana sem jogar Red Dead Redemption 2. Continuar aqui a região de Mirante Rocha Shore. As aventuras de Arthur Morgan aqui pela região. Nós vamos continuar aqui de onde nós parou. Vamos lá. Vamos ver de onde nós parou a última vez. Esperar o jogo carregando aqui. Enquanto isso, galera, eu peço para novamente ajudem a compartilhar o vídeo no canal. Aos demais aí, deem um like, não se esqueçam de curtir, compartilhar, para mostrar que tá tendo um vídeo com bom engajamento. Vai ajudar pra caramba, beleza? Vamos lá curtir uma boa gameplay a partir de agora. Hoje nós vai Hoje nós vai fazer caça ao tesouro. Eu acho fazer umas missões aqui, pra dar prosseguimento a uma história. Esperar aqui carregar. Uhum. Bom. Esperar o jogo. Nova entrada no diário. Ah, eu lembro, parei aqui em... Ai, na cidade aqui do prefeito. Onde que é aqui? Ah, eu lembro. Nós estávamos aqui na região Strawberry. Exato. Vamos ver o que o prefeito tá falando. Tá acreditando aqui?
Good morning. What did I do to you? Did you move out of the way? Oh, come on.
Que foi?
Hey, I was just talking about you. How a complete stranger saved me from certain demise.
Fine thing to do, helping a feller out like that.
I hoped I'd run into you again.
Salvou minha vida?
Back in some way, you know? Hey, I got plenty of credit at this store here. You know, you pick out anything you want. Free
Vai pagar,
of
obrigado.
charge.
É aquele caçador de uma parte.
Sounds good.
Oh, that's real nice.
One good deed deserves another.
What kind of hunter gets caught in his own trap anyway?
That was an isolated incident. I won't make that
That's what you
error
did.
again.
Fell into that
Feller
hole last month.
outside,
That
got
was a
his own trap.
isolated incident.
He said he'd cover me if I put something on his tab. The reason he still got that leg.
Oh, that idiot. A few folks
Okay,
probably
Dr.
would rather
Strange,
he
say-
left him there. But hey, if that's what he wants, take a look around.
Vamos lá ver o catálogo.
Good choice. I'll let him know.
Beleza, compramos tônico capilar.
Thanks, partner. Pick something up. Thanks again.
Right here.
Obrigado de
Least I
novo.
could do.
Let's go, boy.
Vamos ver quem tem a gente tem que caçar aqui.
You after a bounty? I can tell. If so, we got a poster on the wall just there.
Howdy.
Morning, sir.
Thank you for keeping us all safe, sir. I really appreciate your service.
Goodbye.
Será que pode ir aqui?
Ain't that good news?
Vamos ver o que a gente pega agora. Procurado, recompensa de $40. Joshua Brown. Ele captura vivo. Um notório atirador. Procurado por assassinatos criminosos. Brown tem tamanho médio. Ele escuta e picote longo. Seu último paradeiro conhecido foi ao norte de Canberra. Todos os pedidos de recompensa serão pagos pela repartição de sheriff de Canberra.
Word is he's made a home out of an old mine up in the Big Valley Mountains. But you might want to leave that one on the wall. Josh Brown to be a hard man to kill, let alone capture. And that's what we're asking for. Got half the bounty hunters in the state out looking for him.
I want your advice. I'll ask for it, okay? Okay. Joshua Brown. Give it to me.
He's a killer. Got away with it for the most part, too. Legal kills. But if you walk that line, you're gonna step over at some point. And that's what he done.
If this man is dangerous, why I gotta bring him in alive?
He brought us some bounties in the past, and he's always
Eu
been
trouxe
decent.
alguns
If you
procurados.
don't want to bring him in breathing, you leave this alone.
I figure I know what I gotta do.
Isso aqui é que eu posso descer. Olha a cela que eu estourei, ó.
Morning.
Get down in my face.
Hey, mister.
Keep it to your damn self.
Good luck with it.
Yeah.
Um só de Stramberg.
Easy. Whoa.
Cemitério. Deve ter alguma coisa aqui. Tem um animal morto aqui, parece.
Morning to you.
O cara tá procurando.
Over here! Hey! Hey! See that? Fella's dead down there. Must have gone off the cliff.
Yep.
Think he's from that cabin up the way there. Poor bastard. Well, guess I'll tell the sheriff when I get to town.
Olha aí. Tem um sujeito morto aqui. Deixa eu passar aqui. O que acontece aqui? Eu sei que tem um mistério, galera.
Okay then.
Aqui a carta. Pegar. Voltarei em alguns dias. Fui buscar a Millet na casa da mãe dela. A nova senhora Peyton, com carinho de... Carinho de...
You got a bullet coming. You don't stop still.
This here's a hold up. You know what to do.
Why don't you stretch your legs, huh?
This ain't worth my life.
Desgraçado. Quem são esses caras? Tentando assaltar um bandido igual eu. Aham. Só porque eu tô passando aqui pela primeira vez na região. Vamos fazer a missão.
Easy.
Andando. Tem que ir na região pra cá pra ver.
Easy there. Yep. Whoa.
Vou falar com ele.
Yep.
Legal essa região aqui, perto de Stoneborough.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
I know you're close. I feel
Whoa,
you
whoa,
tickling my
whoa.
britches.
Easy now.
Damn Chinaman. Tell me this map will have treasure.
O mapa me levaria um tesouro. Opa, outro mapa.
Juniper and boiled Satan, you scared me.
Boiled Satan. Yeah, I get that a lot. So, what's that you got there?
You ain't interested in no scrap paper. It's nothing. Just something for wiping and sniffing in the night. Yeah. Well,
Hey, why the hurry, partner? No, you don't.
you tie me up, you better kill me. I'll eat your balls.
Eu quero esse mapa. Vai, vai, vai.
Now, I'm just gonna...
Come on now. You gotta cut me loose. Oh, come on, you got your map. You'll be rich from it.
Opa, caçador de
Enough for
tesouro.
a whole night with your favorite side.
Mais um mapa de tesouro, galera.
Now, let me go. Let me go. Hey, you ain't gonna leave me like this.
Interessante. Outro mapa. Tá bom, é só vou te libertar.
All right, boy.
Não quis me dar o documento.
Hello,
yourselves.
sir.
Visitors, amuse yourselves. We are a simple
Fazendo
mountain
discurso
town
sempre, prefeito
for
Amor.
people who believe in a better, wiser, kinder America.
Hey there.
Good day, kind sir.
Hello.
Enjoy our fair town in peace and be nice. Be nice.
Be nice.
Hello, strawberry, my friends. And to those that live here, stay here.
Yep. Ahoy.
Sai da frente!
Yeah.
O que aconteceu aqui? Aldeia indígena?
Slow up now.
Rápido. Um grande massacre aqui, pelo jeito. Estranho. Está escrito aqui. Página de livro de exercício antigo. Washington, aquela zona irregular, fora e amanhã. Visão e morte caminha, onde mora. Aí alguém responde. Deixa este inteiro no peito e régua. Oi, respiro. Suspiro sempre além de coisa. Tem alto útil de estar andando o ouro interno. Monstros obtêm mais abacaxis enterrados, mostrando repetidos. interessante. Ó, ó o barulho na madeira caindo aos pedaços. Aqui não tem nenhuma anotação, né, pro Arthur fazer. Opa, vou arrancar a pena no caminhão já. Águia careca, aí sim, hein?
Come on, boy. Idiot. Goddamn fool.
Opa, tem uma missão aqui. Essa também eu queria.
Easy.
Pera aí, galera, tem uma missão aqui. Vamos ver que missão quem tá aqui.
This will show the boys. Oh. Hello. What is today, isn't it?
Arcade para mano.
Sure.
Que belo dia, hein?
What?
Of course.
I'm working on a project. Photography.
Eu trabalho num projeto de fotografia.
Of course. Wildlife.
Of course.
My thing. Well, that's what I want to be my thing.
O início
I
quer
have
me
to take another
especializar.
picture of a grumpy housefrau or pompous middle-class
Ah.
burger. I will feed myself to the lions. Stand here.
Fica aqui.
Just
Exatamente. Ah,
Albert Mason.
Arthur Moore.
Albert Mason. Arthur
I'm
Morgan.
trying to find and capture
Tentei
images
encontrar e capturar a
of our
imagem
great predators before our greatest predators
dos nossos grandes
kill them all
predadores.
and stick them on some clubhouse wall.
Good luck with that.
Yes.
Boa sorte com
Not
isso,
the
tudo logo.
easiest.
Ah,
But,
Albert
well,
Mason, fotógrafo.
I love it.
Ok.
The trick is to leave a big load of meat and relax.
Ele é fotógrafo da natureza. Oh, coiote!
Good heavens! My bag! That thing is robbing me! Oh, good heavens!
Don't worry. That thing is a
Não se
coyote.
preocupe, opa.
Sneaky one. Too. Wildlife photographer.
Olha, coiote danado.
Drop the bag. Leave the meat, mister. Leave.
Vou matar você.
And Kyle, don't think about coming back.
Oh, Albert Mason, recuperamos sua... Seu alforje, né, que fala. Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Well. Got your bag.
Peguei sua bolsa, uou.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Obrigado,
For me,
obrigado.
we'll tend to bring out the worst in the local population.
You are
Oh,
a gentleman, but I also had
Você é um cavaleiro. A bolsa tinha muitos dos meus suprimentos. Você me poupou o
can't
dia.
thank you enough. Thank you.
Don't worry about it.
Obrigado.
You take care, sir.
I ain't the one trying to get myself eaten.
Não estou tentando ser devorado. Reconhece que sou um pouco.
And
Eu
thank you
perdoe.
very much once again.
Albert Mason, Arcádia para amadores.
Good You think maybe you should leave the wildlife photography to the fellers who know a little something about wildlife?
If every great man had thought like that, there wouldn't be any great men. A little ignorance can go a long way. At least, that's what I tell myself.
Or it can get you killed. But hey,
Boa sorte, vai precisar.
Please, if I'm to attract any wildlife, I'll need some privacy.
Vamos deixar ele em paz, então. Deixa eu ver aqui. Pera aí, galera. Deixa eu ver um negócio. Procurar esse tesouro. Hum, Hoje nós vamos procurar tesouro. Oh, peraí, peraí. Ah, tá. Deixa eu ver. Ah, é aqui, ó. A localização. Estou check hall. Vamos lá. É aqui que vai ser o lugar da thumbnail que eu coloquei. Arthur, caçador de tesouros hoje. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Cavalinho canário. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Nossa, vamos lá.
Yep.
Arthur! Oh, am I glad I found you. Arthur,
Ô, o que você quer,
they got
Xavier?
What? Who has it?
Pegaram o quê? Quem pegou ele?
I found their camp nearby.
Ah, é daqueles negócios de encontro aleatório. Dos encontros. Ah,
They got Bill tied up. I'm gonna go take care of it. Come on.
Oh, sloppy Bill.
Yeah, well. You coming?
All right, lead the way. So how'd you find it?
He said he was going
já como você achou ele? Ele disse que ia caçar, mas não voltou.
I was able to track him pretty easily. Only a matter of time before they decide to pick up camp. Head for town.
Ele desmontaram o acampamento.
Guess we're in sights again.
When are we not, Arthur?
Fair point.
Caçador de recompensa. É, vou ter que tirar o Bill dessa situação, né?
What'll Dutch do?
Ain't for me to say. Doubt Bill'll like it, whatever it is.
He's a problem. We all know it.
Is that for me to say?
Yeah, I think it is, Arthur.
Well, let's say
Então, primeiro a gente salva ele. Depois pensa em como punir. Onde tá o Bill Wilson? É perto do acampamento deles, cara.
Okay, we're getting close. There they are, on foot from here. Stake out your position.
Hey, you idiots ever hear of Dutch's boys? You're gonna pay for this. You have no idea what hell is coming your way.
We're shaking in our boots. Idiot.
I'm bored listening to this son of a bitch. Let's take him into town and collect
I'm ready when you are, Arthur.
Won't be long before you'll be took.
Tem faca de arremesso.
Up in a nice warm cell.
Come on.
Move all you want.
Come on. It's time.
Friends showed up. Just in time. Let's go! Get me out of here!
Cadê o seu Bill? Ah, é você. Escapou, né?
Cut it loose!
É, Bill.
I owe you fellas for this.
Damn right you do.
Well, I'm gonna head back to camp, find a bottle, and nurse these bruises.
Yeah. I'm headed to camp as well. Thanks, Arthur.
Obrigado, Arthur.
What's next?
Ah, e agora? Só me dão trabalho esses dois. que isso? Dá uma melhorada, aí sim. Vamos cozinhar aqui. E Bill, só tá trabalho.
Yep. Okay.
Vamos aproveitar e voltar pro acampamento antes de...
Hey, boy.
Vamos ver o que nos aguarda no acampamento aqui de novo. Novidades.
It's Arthur. All right. That hat suits you. There she is.
Mr. Morgan? So, how are you?
As well as can be expected.
Oh, Driscoll.
Hello.
What we go?
Hi, Uncle. Woo, Arthur.
Tomar um ensopapo.
Okay, I think it's time for bed.
Murder and slaughter.
Alright.
His lovely daughter. Tiddly-eye, 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 for the one-eyed Riley. Tiddly-eye, she'd miss a corruption, blow it up your bag. I got me a room in a quiet place. Got
Peguei um guarda no lugar. Que música legal.
everything would rise, daughter. Tiddly-eye, tiddly-eye.
Either way, either way, either way. Oh, let's go.
With two pistols in his hand, looking for the man that fucked his daughter. Tiddly-eye, tiddly-eye.
Way, either way.
For the one-eyed Riley, tiddly-eye. Blood out of bear's bag. I
Terminou a fogueira.
Okay.
Vou fazer a barba do Arthur. Dormi um pouco.
Good morning, Arthur.
Good morning, bitch. Encontrei um sujeito preso em uma armadilha para urso um tempo atrás. Decidi salvar ele por impulso. Depois enfrentei na cidade cheia de medo. Escreve na loja como agradecimento. Acho que às vezes vale a pena ajudar as pessoas. Conheci um bom sujeito tirando fotos de uns animais. Acho que ele se chamava perdimentos. Gente interessante muito perdido. Nada acostumado com o campo de verdade. Devia ter feito ele tirar uma foto do chat. Ele foi roubado por um coiote, mas eu peguei a isca dele de volta.
Hello, Dutch.
Morning to you. Hey, Arthur. Looks like a good book there. Very enjoyable. It's so shady. What brings you in here?
Good morning.
Glad you're so relaxed, given what a mess you've gotten us into.
Am I sensing ideas above your station again?
Vou ver o que o John quer.
Hey, Arthur!
What do you want?
Uncle told me something about a train.
Tudo vai por parte. O tio me contou uma coisa sobre um trem.
Mary Beth overheard something about a train.
Mary Beth ouviu algo sobre um
going
trem.
down through Scarlet Meadows just south of
Basicamente, Scarlett Milton, bem ao sul.
Need help with it?
Yes,
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on.
vamos fazer isso.
Not too guarded, it's perfect.
Vamos proteger perfeito.
You know, stopping a train, pain in the
Só
ass.
parar um trem é uma
What
chatice.
if we could force a train to
Se
stop?
a gente pudesse fazer o trem parar de
Of
algum jeito.
course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable.
Pegar uma carroça cheia de coisa
Put it
inflamável.
on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to be cooked alive.
Nenhum maquinista quer ser queimado vivo.
That is
Isso é
kind of brilliant.
inteligente demais.
You.
Pra
That is
você,
real idea.
essa é uma ótima
That's the
ideia.
first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be
Shut up.
the first bastard to
Uh,
ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent.
So we're doing it?
Yeah, we're gonna
Então
need
vamos lá.
ammunition,
Vamos precisar de munição,
guns,
arma.
real frightening, and some dynamite to open
E
up
vamos
the train.
precisar de
Get the
dinamite.
supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask.
E
Go find
pergunta.
us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border.
Eu acabamos no logo
Place
depois da
called Dewberry Creek.
um lugar
Hidden
chamado
somewhere
Riacho
near
Tempero.
there.
Deixa aí. Carroças podem ser roubados para o John, ficam marcados.
Hey, Abigail.
Good morning, Arthur. Good morning, Arthur.
Hey there.
Morning, Arthur.
Vamos lá, descobrir esse tesouro, galera. É por aqui, ó.
Okay.
É por aqui mesmo.
Get it.
Vamos descobrir esse tesouro aqui. Vamos ver. Mapas de tesouros, deixa eu ver aqui. Olha esse mapa aqui. Deixa eu ver se é por aqui. Vou dizer o Jack Hall é esse aqui. Deixa eu ver, tô no lugar certo. Um penhasco em cima da montanha. Valentine ali, ó. Cidade Valentine. Fica no... fica aqui, ó, no penhasco aqui. Interessante. Deixa eu ver a cidade Valentine, tá ali. Ali, ó. A igreja é isso mesmo. Como tá no mapa. Ali a fazenda que eu invadi no bico. A igreja é isso mesmo, a cidade Valentine. Aqui parece que é acampado tipo um tesouro aqui, ó. Eu acho que é aqui, galera. Isso mesmo. Tem que tomar maior cuidado aqui. Maravilhoso, Arthur. Maravilhoso. Caiu a tua, maravilhoso. Caralho, vou ter que ir aqui de novo. Nossa, cara, é um caminho perigoso. Deve estar aqui a caixa. Eu sabia? Aí, garoto. Ah, outro mapa. Vou lá te esperando no chão. Onde que vai ficar isso? Águas termais. Um negócio que dá vapor. Ah, tá. Eu ainda descobri esse local. Explorando dois. Ah, da hora. Aí, ó, só, galera. Parece rachadura na pele. Vou tirar foto desse local também. Meio do jogo vai ser essa, nesse vídeo. Essa parte aqui, né? Vamos pra aquela missão de voluntário de Mary Bert. Mary, hein? Opa, o que é isso aqui? Tem jornal pra ler? Vou dar pra voluntário. Vou salvar a história já, aproveitar.
Hey, you! Slow up now. Yeah.
Good morning, mister.
Come on, mister.
Hang on a second there, friend.
Come on, get out of here!
this a pleasant surprise.
So, how is it in here?
The bed is
Ele
as
anda
soft as
chão.
a fluffy white cloud, and the food is magnificent. Why, this jailhouse is far more comfortable than any fancy hotel in Saint Denis. How do you think it is, you idiot?
Well, it ain't tarnished your charm, at least.
I think we had enough of your crap. Why don't you make tracks? I've asked you politely. Don't make me ask you again.
Olha o cara vendedor de remédio, fala.
Calm down. You're coming to jail right this minute. Oh, shit. Good. Don't you move a muscle. Okay, boy.
Não fiz nada. Eu não fiz nada. Tá tomando coisa de xerife. Ué, o que eu fiz lá? Não fiz nada. Eu vou atirar, hein? Só fiz isso, caralho. O que eu vou fazer? Eu vou ter que roubar uma das carroças aqui de corno. Ai, que saco. Tem que retornar por aqui. Nossa, cara, que saco. Tem preço de corno ou não de petróleo?
Easy now.
Damn it. Se eu quiser fazer esse assalto, eu vou ter que trocar de roupa. Vou ter que roubar à noite essas carroças. É, não vai ter jeito, eu vou ter que roubar à noite. Minha vez não vai montar um acampamento aqui. Fazer o que, né? É, galera. Criar itens. Tem que esperar escurecer ainda.
Whoa.
É, tem que esperar escurecer ainda. Vamos ver se a gente encontra aquele cego.
Easy.
Wrong camp, partner. Get yourself lost somewhere else.
Okay, settle down there. Now, that ain't too civil, friend.
Get gone or you're gonna get shot. I'm about to rid the world of another idiot.
You a one-dead bastard!
Quem mandou atirar em mim, seus canalhas?
You, take that mask off right away.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Hey there, mister. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, hey, you there. Think you could help a lady out? My horse up and died on me, twisted my ankle something fierce. Think you could give me a ride?
Yeah, sure. Hop on.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. You know Emerald Ranch? Mind taking me there?
Sure.
Glad I ran into you. Huh. I raised that horse, you know. Raised it since it was just a foal.
Losing a horse is hard. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, that horse did right by me. Better than my husband, truth be told. That fool, always complaining, but does he do something about it? Man barely lifts his hand to wave the flies away, aside from to lift a drink, of course. Marriage, for me, has been nothing but trouble. But Biscuit, he was a fine animal. Loyal, smart, brave. Didn't take no guff, not from no one. Had one of them mountain boys pull a gun on me once. I was riding up near the Dakota and had stopped by a nice warm patch. Must have dozed off, but I wake up and find some nasty piece of work pointing a rusty shotgun straight at me. Well, he gets wheezing on and I must have made some sort of noise because the next thing I know, Biscuit had nipped his ear clean off. Kicked his hide, too, as he was hollering away. Didn't think a man could run so fast.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, had a good laugh on that one. I tell the husband, what does he do? Should have never gone over there, honey, he says. Gee, thanks.
So, you live at Emerald Ranch then?
For the time being. I was looking for work. They was looking for some help with the gardens. If I waited any longer for my husband to put food on the table, I'd have died of starvation. I'll be moving on soon, though. Emerald Ranch, well, it's a strange place.
How so?
The owner's a mean bastard. Strange, too. Delights in bullying folk. There's a daughter, but she never leaves the house. You can see her in the window sometimes. When I asked about her, everybody told me to leave it alone. Found an old saloon there, all shut down now. But I went in to have a look, and there's bullet holes, old blood stains. Something definitely happened there, but I couldn't figure it. Just an uncomfortable feeling to the place. Either way, it's time I left. Especially now I lost that poor horse. I'll collect my belongings and be on my way.
Back home?
I guess. I bet my husband's right where I left him. Bottle in hand. Oh, we're getting close now. Here we go. This is great. This was kind of you, mister. Please, take this as my way of thanking you. Appreciate it. What a lousy
Nice
day.
talking with you, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too. All the best.
Damn wasted time. Mind yourself.
You okay, boy? Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Morning to you. Yeah, how you making out?
Morning.
Watch out!
Always nice to see a returning face. Clear this right up for you.
Thanks, mister. Dumbass. Hosea. You're back. Hey, fellas.
Hey there.
Morning. Having a rest there, Harry?
And boy, have I earned it.
Miss Grimshaw.
Morning, Arthur.
I swear, Uncle's more use around here than you are.
What are you talking about?
Take it easy. I'm just needling you.
Yeah, you're real funny.
Mr. Pearson.
Room by the fire here, Mr. Morgan.
Reverend?
Lenny.
Morning, Arthur.
John.
Let's get on.
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius. Morning.
Why don't you sit a while, Arthur?
You've been doing good.
Thanks, Arthur.
Keep at it.
Okay, Arthur.
Hi, Charles.
Arthur.
Thank you. And your husband, is he where?
He's dead. Combination of beatings and sickness did it for him.
My deepest condolences, madam.
And mine to you. For all your wretched lives.
All right.
Good morning.
Keep those books full now.
I'm trying.
We need every cent we can get.
All right, Mr. Morgan.
Hi, Lenny.
Hey.
Yeah. Go, go. Hey there! Hi there, mister. Good job. There you go.
What's the matter with you?
Yep. What the heck? Morning to you.
Good morning, mister.
What's it to be?
I need some food. Can I get a meal?
Now you. Come on. Pretty damn well.
Appreciate it.
O problema já tá. Vocês viram? A Edith Downs apareceu no acampamento, o cara pedindo reembolso que matamos o marido dela. Vamos para comer limpo o que ela quer.
Thanks for your assistance.
Whoa now!
Howdy. Morning.
Forks.
Hi there, ma'am.
Olá, senhora. Ah, é por aqui. Qual o nome do lanche? Chatfield Farm. A cara da merda então é aqui. Amamos de verdade uma vez, parte 2. Grande amor da vida do passado do Arthur.
Yes?
Sim. Oh, perdão, eu não queria te perturbar, senhora.
Is Mrs. Linton?
Senhora Linton está?
I'll go see.
Vou ver.
Mrs. Linton, a collar for you.
Oh.
Hello, Arthur.
Olá, Arthur.
Mary?
Mary? Eu,
I heard you and your friends was
Fiquei sabendo de
around.
vocês. E eu... Ok. Cadê o... qual o nome dele mesmo? Morreu. Ideia.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too.
É, eu também.
Me too.
Eu também.
Happened a while ago.
Faz um tempo já.
Pneumonia.
Bad business.
Negócio ruim.
So,
então, show.
You've been made a widow and come here looking for me.
E atrás de mim é isso?
No, ain't like
Não,
that,
não é isso,
Arthur.
Okay.
O que então?
Listen, Arthur.
Olha, Arthur.
I'm
Eu...
my family.
A minha família firme.
I need your help.
Eu preciso da sua ajuda. Você quer dizer a família que sempre me desprezou?
It's my little brother,
É o meu irmão
Jamie.
caçulo, Jamie.
I always liked Jamie. At least compared to the
Também
rest of
comparado com o resto.
He's broken Daddy's heart.
Ele partiu o coração do papai.
Don't make me beg you, Arthur.
My money, my life, me. I wasn't good enough.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
We need your help real bad. Little Jamie's joined the Chelonians, that strange religious order.
Good for him.
They're quite mad, Arthur. They'll kill him. You're the only person he'd listen to.
So, I'm too rough to marry into your family, but it's okay to ask me to help in saving your family.
I'm sorry. I understand if you don't want to help me, but I think of you often.
Long time ago now.
I'm begging you, Arthur.
Eu imploro, Arthur. Eu vou ajudar sim. Acho que vou negar qualquer favor para a amada do Arthur.
Jamie's so
O
innocent,
Jamie é tão
Arthur.
inocente, Arthur.
Please.
Please.
Arthur. Will you help me?
Where is he?
Cadê ele?
Somewhere out near Carmody
Algum lugar
Dell,
perto do
I
Val
think. The
Carmel,
rancher
eu
there
acho.
said he'd seen him around the Cumberland Forest. I just want him back, Arthur. If you find him, bring him to me at the station.
I'll see what I can do.
Vou ver o que eu faço.
I'll owe you.
Ficarei te devendo. Eu vou já fazer esse
You
favor.
already owe me.
Vamos procurar o Jamie. O irmão da Mary Lyndon.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
Aqui não tem como invadir não, né? Adentrar esse local. Abre aí. Vamos salvar ele aqui. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos salvar o modo história aqui, galera. Vamos ver aqui o que podemos fazer. Go, go!
Stay back! This here's a private affair.
I've been kidnapped!
Stay back, I said!
Help me!
You just had to get this here. Guess I'm killing you.
Calma aí, calma aí.
Get me off this horse! Quick! Get me free!
Ajudar essa mulher.
Are you really gonna leave me tied up like this? Thank the Lord you showed up when you did. Oh, the things he said he'd do to me.
It's all right, ma'am. It's over now.
Thank you. Again.
Thank you. Ah, salvei uma senhora.
Nice folks round here. Yeah.
Vamos ver se o senhor tem alguma coisa. Deu e parti, né?
Okay, boy. Yeah.
Legal, aliança de ouro.
There we go.
Vamos subir aqui.
You're okay, boy.
Pera aí, galera, já vou. Voltei, galera. Subir aqui e salvar o James, sei lá como que chama. Merlin então pediu um favor. Grande amor paixonite do Arthur Morgan. Nossa. Oh, easy. Opa, chegamos a um cavalo nível máximo. Pelônia. Peraí, vamos dar uma pausada aqui, calma aí, já volto. O que eles estão falando? Quelonismo, a menos que a recente redescoberta. Quelonismo. Vamos ver aqui rapidão. Vamos lá. Amor de verdade, uma vez. Opa! O que eles estão protegendo?
Shell of safety.
Shell of safety. Can I speak to the boy?
Arthur?
Hello, son.
Arthur.
Your sister is very worried.
The boy has chosen a path, sir. The path to truth.
Well, I mean, his sister just wants to speak with him.
Arthur, I've chosen a path.
The boy has chosen a path. He's chosen safety. What path have you chosen, sir?
I don't know about this nonsense. Let me speak to the boy.
Dut. Are you always this negative and antagonistic, sir?
I'm not a very cultured man. Forgive me, please.
I am a fool for my God and a happy one, sir. I bless you. What do I dream about? Who are my heroes?
You're a fool for everyone's god. You're a maniac. Now let me talk to the goddamn boy. Goddamn lunatic.
Get off of him!
Mestre dos quelônios.
That's enough, Arthur!
Kid, come on. This is crap. You're better than this.
Better than what?
Melhor do
Better
que...
than one in paradise?
Melhor do que achar que esses princípios. Agora me deixe levar. Você é um homem.
You're a real sad man.
Sure, but come home.
Not a chance! Leave me alone, Arthur! I didn't ask for your help!
Olha, seu idiota. Versículo James.
Christ's sakes, Jamie, just hold up a minute.
Espera um pouco. Para aí! Foda-se!
Just stop and let's talk about...
Ah! Jogo maldito!
Leave me alone, Arthur! I didn't ask for your help!
Vou tirar desse garoto de raiva, hein?
Come on.
Para aí, James.
Come on, Yates! Then you can see this is crazy!
You're the crazy one!
Yep. Damn it, we gotta do this the hard way!
Sorry, mister. I was doing just fine by myself!
What are you gonna do, Jamie? Live the rest of your life in the mountains with those people?
They're my friends!
Meus amigos, seu louco.
If you don't leave me alone, I'll shoot you! I swear it!
What are you talking about? You ain't no killer!
You don't know who I am! Stop that, you lunatic! You don't know who I am!
Yeah.
You crazy?
Ah, e agora? Ah, o Jamie fugiu. Ah, tá de brincadeira, né, mano? Puta que pariu, eu vou atirar nesse garoto, cara. Ah, puta que pariu, cara. Que missão chata.
Leave me alone, Arthur! I didn't ask for your help!
You okay, boy?
Vai chover logo agora. Parece que o jogo quer te trollar.
just hold up a minute.
This is none of your damn business.
Yeah. Just stop and let's talk about this.
You pop up out of nowhere?
Come on, you ain't stupid. You can see this is crazy.
You're the crazy one.
Now, come on. Come on, Jamie. Your sister's worried about you.
I don't have to answer to you.
Vai louco, seu cambagaré!
Sorry, mister.
Damn it, we gotta do this the hard way. What are you gonna do, Jamie? Live the rest of your life in the mountains with those people? Calm down.
They're my friends. If you don't leave me alone, I'll shoot you. I swear it.
What are you talking about? You ain't no killer.
You don't know who I am.
Yeah.
Boom! Boom! Oh my God! It's above.
Oh, o jogo falhou aquela hora.
Please, Arthur! I'm a man now. I found something. A calling.
You're just a kid. You're making a big mistake.
I'm not taking advice from you. You're an outlaw. You leave me alone. They're good people. I'm warning you, Arthur Morgan.
Ei, larga isso
Leave me
aí.
alone.
Please, kid. Put that gun down.
I warn you, Arthur. I don't want to live anymore.
Kid, just calm down.
Leave me alone.
Seu idiota!
Now calm down.
Pode se acalma.
Let's go see your sister.
Okay.
Seu idiota. Deixaram ele se matar. Que raiva desse garoto.
It's okay, kid.
Have I been a terrible fool, Arthur?
Ah, não, idiota não.
I don't know. I don't know enough about it. But one thing I do know. There ain't no shame in looking for a better world.
I missed you, Arthur. Are you and Mary sweet on one another again?
Oh,
No,
no.
no, no.
That's all a long time ago, son. Yeah.
Well, this wasn't how I thought today would turn out.
It's been a long time, Jamie Gillis. You were a kid
Jamie
last time I
Gillis.
saw you. Didn't try to kill yourself.
You know, you taught me
Você
how
me
to
ensinou a
ride a horse.
cavalgar.
Too well, apparently. Salonia, though? Really? You'd fall for that?
They were very nice to me. They're decent.
I'm sure. Please tell me you didn't give them any money.
Of course I did. They rely on charitable donations.
Depende das ações que ele une, a nova religião do
I
Grande.
just wanted to believe that there might be something good coming my way one day. Guess that's dead in the water.
With the turtles.
Shut up.
Shut up.
All Father kept telling me was, you won't amount to anything. You're not enough of a man. I had to get away. I couldn't take it anymore.
Forgive me, but
Desculpa, mas seu pai é bruto, é covarde. Não dá ouvidos pra ele.
Hey, don't talk about him like that.
What do you want me to say, Jamie? He's a good father? Nice man?
He won't be happy I saw you.
Well, please send him my worst regards.
The thing is, he's right.
Eu não sou
I'm not
bom em
good at
nada.
anything.
Come on, that ain't true. Tell me something you like.
Ah, o que isso é bom, Jamie?
Don't think too hard.
Apples, I guess.
Apples?
Yeah, I
Apples,
love
maçãs.
Okay. I was thinking more along the lines of carpentry or horses or something.
Olha lá onde nós roubamos a carroça
All right,
do
go
Sr.
work in an
Cornwall.
orchard then.
By that token...
Essa região também que estão contando nessa missão. Ah, aqui ó, Cornwall, querosene. Entendi.
must really like shooting and robbing people.
I only like shooting young idiots who run away from me when I'm trying to help them.
Father told me what you do.
I'm sure he did.
Are you still with Dutch and...
O Dutch, qual o nome dele?
Hester?
Hester ou Zé?
Yep, still the same, sort of.
And Annabelle and Bessie?
I'm afraid they're dead.
Mortas, infelizmente, Annabelle.
Maybe
Merda,
Mary
talvez
did
a Mary
make the
tenha
right
feito a
choice.
escolha certa.
No doubt.
Sem dúvida.
None of it is anything
Não é nada
like the
parecido com as besteiras que
nonsense
vocês
you read
lêem
in
no
the
jornal.
newspapers.
So, are you two getting back together?
I told you, no.
Não, ela só me
Just
pediu
ask me
favor.
for a favor.
You know Barry Linton's dead? Pneumonia.
She told me.
Vamos ver a cara desse
Why are we
maluco.
getting off?
Vamos ver a cara desse maluco. Quelônia.
We ain't gonna get nowhere
Fica quieto aí, rapaz.
fast without a horse.
A foto do irmão da Mary Linton. Peraí. Social Crew, vamos ver as fotos. Ah, ó, da hora.
So, you were saying?
So the door's open, so to speak.
That's all in the past. Different people now.
She's not. And you seem just the same.
Well, maybe that right there's a problem. She was always too good for me. Let's just get you back to your sister. She's waiting at the station for us.
É, eu acho que eles vão embora de Valentine.
Here we are. She must be waiting inside.
Dedicar o tempo ao grande amor passado do Arthur.
You're nervous about seeing her, aren't you? Make it quick or I might run off again.
Jamie! Jamie!
Jamie,
Come home. Please,
please,
Father's been very sad.
Father wouldn't know sadness if it
Why
died
not?
in his bed. But I'll come
Jamie.
home for you.
My
por
boy.
você,
My
meu garoto.
sweet boy.
Mary
Come
Linton.
on.
O trem tá indo.
Oh, Arthur,
Ó, Arthur,
thank you.
obrigado.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's good to see you, Mary.
Vou te ver, Mary.
And you, Arthur.
É bom,
And you.
é bom te ver. Eu nunca... Eles têm um romance, né, coisa. Grande amor da vida do Arthur Morton.
You're...
Você está...
Oh, you'll never
Bom,
change.
você nunca vai mudar.
I know that.
Ah. É isso aí.
I feel like
Eu me sinto o homem mais
luckiest
sortudo do
man
mundo
alive,
e
and I feel like a
Me sinto
fool.
idiota.
That woman confuses me
Me
and
manipula
plays
como
me
ninguém.
for a fiddle like no one else alive. I trust I will not make a
Não vou
god-awful
fazer
fool
papel
of
de
myself
trouxa, não,
once
vai.
more, but somehow I imagine I shall.
Missão concluída. É isso aí, galera. Eu acho que chega de missão por hoje.
Mister?
You best not cause no more shit around here.
Hey, mister.
Mister. Got one mighty obvious tell there, Mark.
Having fun, mister?
What can I get you?
Give me something to drink, anything.
Então a bebida.
There you go.
I hope I don't see my brother around here. You got that right. So, yeah.
Hi, folks.
Why, hello.
Hey,
Cortar o cabelo.
you interested in a trim? So, what are we doing? Looking mighty fine. Right then, you are all set.
Careful, big man.
Just come on back.
Evening.
Hard to get the poke.
You ain't been through in a while. Got everything you need. Have a look. All right, then, let's have a look. Can't hurt. Someone might want it. Some of the fellers who play poker down at Flat Neck Station said they
Por
had
que
some
tem no catálogo aí,
clergyman in,
senhor?
drunk out of his mind. Well, it's always here if you want to take another look.
Dá o tônico aí de novo. Isso.
Got what I need.
Que carta é essa?
What did I do to you?
What's your problem?
Sai daqui, Vamos voltar para Valentine, descansar e acabar essa gameplay. Hoje já mais quase 2 horas e meia de gameplay por hoje, já tá bom. Bem safado.
Yep.
Eu tô com nível de honra legal. Vou interagir um pouco com esse final, como nas outras partes, com a turma do acampamento. Live quem estiver vendo ao vivo, ou também dessa gameplay quem estiver vendo pelo YouTube.
Who's there? It's me.
Real good, boy. Once an O'Driscoll, always an O'Driscoll. What's your problem? I already proved myself. Well, all you proved is, how quickly you'll turn on your friends. No, it ain't like that. I only rode with them for a while. Yeah, you might have Dutch fooled. But,
Oh, o Javier tá desconfiando dele, cara.
I'm watching you.
All right.
Hello, Arthur.
Kieran.
Hello, Arthur.
At least the horses like you.
I know.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do. Hi there, Arthur.
Hi, Arthur.
For 1 minute, they were made it to
Arthur! Arthur! People are talking. You've stopped. You stopped working for us all.
How'd you mean?
No money in the box for ages. Come on, son. You're the best
A
man
caixa tá
among us.
vazia.
Don't go weak on me now. Please.
I've been sort of busy, Dutch. I'll get back to it.
Thank you, son.
What kind of lunatic thought that up?
That's an interesting way of seeing things.
Maybe we'll head over there one of these days, huh? Yeah. Start a new life as kangaroo farmers.
Well, there's a dream we ain't had yet.
Pepita de ouro. Vou tentar para não vou doar agora.
Time for bed, fellas.
Compra uma galinha para o acampamento. Aciona nutrientes. O acampamento comer. O ensopado reforça os olhos do amor.
I feel like I look.
You okay, Tilly?
Wonder if we're gonna make it this time. Wonder if old Dutch hasn't bit off more than he can chew.
Hi there, Arthur.
Good old Dutch.
Ladies,
Hi there.
Oh, hey.
take it easy on the bottle today.
Who are you, my pa?
Nobody wants to see you all maudlin again.
Oh, shut up.
Trying to rob each other.
I'm only kidding around.
You're hilarious, Arthur.
A Karen tá bebendo pra caramba, hein?
You feeling more settled here now?
Yes, this is a nice spot.
Uncle?
I'll go.
Every time, Uncle.
We laughed. Said we'd face the future together. Here we're at. Facing something together, I guess. Though who knows exactly what.
Give me some. Says wait till the taters is done. I couldn't wait till.
Uh-huh.
You okay?
Hello, Arthur.
Everything good?
I guess.
I hope so.
Okay, then.
Wish to God I'd passed her by. Wish to God I'd passed her by. Taters got burnt. So did I.
Why are you following me?
Oh, sorry, friend.
Have you got a problem with me? Who do you think you are?
Hello, Arthur.
Leave me alone. Get the hell away from me.
Poker. Come on.
Vamos jogar poker. Vamos.
Okay. My uncle used to play this. Made me promise not to tell my father.
My brother taught me to play this during the winter in Vienna. I never beat him once.
Vou passar um tempo extra aqui.
This will do.
Só pra terminar igual na outra live na gameplay.
Ah, yeah.
I don't think.
I'll check.
A Karen tá cantando?
Come on, let's get this thing moving a little.
Come on. Should you even be playing?
Sure you can afford
I'm
all that?
calling you.
See ya.
All right.
Good. Are we playing or what?
All right. All in.
Oh, so you really want to play, huh?
Yep, call.
The moment of truth.
There.
What?
Cast your eyes on this.
What the hell?
Luck was on your side, no?
Yes!
O que? Ganhou tudo, desgraçado.
Well, that was horrible.
Suit yourself. By the way, has anybody seen my compass?
A bússola?
Didn't know you had
Não, eu não, nem sabia que tinha.
Yeah, I had it since my first day in the Navy. Can't believe I'd gone and lost it.
Well, keep my eye out.
Vou tentar encontrar outro.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. You know, the amount we move around, it's a useful thing to have.
Ah, registro atualizado.
Call.
Check.
Vou tentar encontrar sua bússola, Pearson.
Here.
I'll see you. No.
All right, just this.
Ah, crap.
All right. Okay, don't mind if I do.
Call.
Call.
Let's start.
Okay.
How about this?
I'd better fold.
Oh.
That's it. Huh. I'll take anything.
Pearson, desgraçado.
Starting to annoy. No.
There.
Bold move there. Let's start with this.
All right, coming through.
Ha! Oh, yeah!
Oh, Lenny ganhou.
Cause it feels good. Anything you need an extra gun on, Arthur? You just say the word. That'll do.
I'ma see you.
How about this?
Check for me.
Okay,
I'll call.
Get your hankies, fellas.
Yes, that's it. Damn!
Mm-hmm. All right, then.
Que droga, cara. Não tenho sorte nessas cartas.
No. Well, gotta get back on the horse.
Okay.
How about this? Shit. Folding again.
Let's see.
Why are you even here? Let's start with this.
Well, now. Nah.
A bit risky, but I'm willing to take it. Here we go. Here we go.
Hey, come on. Let's not push this, huh?
Cast your eyes on this.
Almost had it.
That's it! That's what I'm talking about!
Shit, I knew it.
Uh-huh. Yes! This is what I was waiting for!
Droga.
That's it. That's it.
Lucky. Check, I think.
I'm just here for fun, all right?
Forgive me. It's all I can afford.
What's that? Allowance from your mama? At least it's something.
I'm a call.
What do we got here?
Have a look at these.
Ganhei,
Too
yes!
bad for me.
There we go.
Primeira vez ganhei. Ai, nunca ganhei esse jogo, cara.
Okay, my luck has officially just turned.
All right, I'll give you that one.
Huh.
I'll see you.
Here.
Come on. Should you even be playing?
See you.
Check.
Check.
I'll check.
Anyone actually playing here?
Well, shit.
I'm just here for fun, all right? Are you seeing this?
There. Nothing.
All right.
Oh, that's a decent hand.
A little goes a long way.
Deixa eu ver aqui.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
If I wanted small talk, I sure as hell wouldn't have came to you. Let's go. You ain't bad at this, you know, for an old person.
Vamos ver aqui.
At least it's something.
All right, just this.
That ain't no way to play.
Cartas boas, J8.
Huh.
Opa, aí sim, hein?
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
Come on, see ya.
Boring. What's that?
All right.
Allowance from your mama?
Here we go.
I reckon you're full of shit.
Ain't that sweet?
No. This is ridiculous.
Don't let that get to your head.
Damn it. Oh, hell.
Oh, is all this mine? Whew, picking it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Que caralho, bicho.
Just a little wager.
Call.
Well, someone's got to raise it.
Damn.
Yeah. Yep, there.
Ganhei.
Check.
No.
I'm just here for fun, all right?
Call.
Come on, see ya. How about this?
I'd suggest you make a bolder play than that next time.
Garbage.
All in.
Fine.
Okay, let's settle this.
He's a useless. Yee-haw! With that? Jesus.
It's not luck when you play for it, fellas.
Ain't no way I'm this terrible.
Okay.
Let's see ya.
Are any of you awake?
Ah, hell.
You ever gonna play?
Raise.
I'll see you.
Nope.
reckon all in.
That's not true.
So, here.
Are you seeing this?
Now,
Ah, que
that
droga.
is a real hand.
Ha! A little goes a long way.
I ain't got any more money.
Ah, cansei, vai.
Are you well?
Not good.
I know that.
Dormi de manhã. Will Willis, você me deve salvar sua vida, hein?
Good morning, Arthur.
Eu vi a Mary de novo. Me sinto o homem mais sortudo no mundo. Um idiota. Aquela mulher me faz ficar confuso e me controla como se eu fosse um fantoche. Que coisa. Idiota. Mas acho que eu vou.
Morning.
Morning, Arthur.
Oh,
There she is.
Morning, Arthur.
Agora eu perdi uma pulsa.
Good morning, Arthur.
Hello. Snap out of it, girl. Hi, Molly.
Arthur. What are you all up on me for?
Watch the wind doesn't change.
Oh, shut up, Arthur.
Vamos lá.
You think you're any better? Is this meant to be funny?
Hi, Dutch. Hello. Wake up, Molly. Always good to see you.
Morning, Arthur.
How are you holding up?
It's like a nightmare I can't wake up from.
It will get better, Mrs. Adler.
Okay, Arthur.
Vamos ver isso aqui.
What are you doing? Move back a bit. Hey, leave her alone. Why do you act like this?
I'm only kidding around.
Okay, Arthur.
I'll just pretend you ain't here.
Pô, legal quando o Arthur compra diferente.
Well, whatever else is in store for us, Arthur, I'll tell you one thing.
What's that?
It's a rare old pleasure not to be freezing our balls off up in those mountains.
You're not wrong there.
Be well.
And you, Hosea.
Okay, I'll catch you later then.
See you later.
Hosea.
What are you tailing me around for? What's your problem? What in hell's your problem? Just stop it. Get the hell away from me.
Ai, que da hora.
Yes. Yes, I did.
I never liked her.
I know. You already told me that.
Ideas above her station. Above anyone's station, that one.
There she is, the Camp Shire horse.
Who do you think you're talking to?
I'm only joking with you.
It wasn't funny 10 years ago, and it still isn't now.
Could use a slug of whiskey in this.
Why are you being
Maybe
like
after
this?
lunch, eh?
Hey, will you give me some damn space?
Vamos ver o que acontece, fica enchendo muito o saco o povo aqui.
Who do you think you are?
Ai, não, nossa. Já veio me deu soco, cara. Nossa, cara.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan, for sparing me like that. I'll work hard. I am not a bad fella. You'll soon warm to me.
Just see that I do.
Oh, you will.
And boy, thank you for saving my life.
Well, yeah, of course.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do.
There have to be rules around here, Arthur.
You know, we've been riding a long time together, haven't we?
Sure.
One more time, just for luck.
Are you trying to be funny?
I
Okay, okay. Keep your hair on.
Well, you certainly don't get any less strange.
I did? I'm sorry.
No, you ain't. I don't blame you. I used to think you was one sorry excuse for a man.
Well, you've changed your mind since then, right?
Absolutely, Bill.
O Bill e o Oséia conversando.
We all have. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Sure.
What is it you called him? Sheep in wolf's clothing.
That's it.
Is that right? Well, thanks. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Bom, galera, vou salvar. Na próxima parte é quando a gente continua o modo história. Já quase 3 horas de campanha, tá bom. Já fizemos muita coisa, zoamos aqui no acampamento. A próxima parte, a primeira coisa... a gente vai fazer essa missão do... aqui da Abigail. Eu já até sei qual que é, posso saber. E depois ela vai aqui da... Albert Manson, tem outra missão aberta e caça recompensa e também explorar aqui essa área aqui, ó. Fazer essa missão do Fraco Hernandes, procurar ele aqui, ó, caça recompensa. Segundo procurado lá da lista de Timboy e Calloway. Então é isso aí, galera. Essa missão do John vai ficar para a próxima parte, né? Vai fazer essa parte próxima só para dedicar essas missões aqui, ó. A missão principal nós vamos fazer logo no começo aqui com o Abigail. Então é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. A gente continua na próxima parte, beleza? Peço para todos aí deixem um like. Não vai custar nada. Compartilhe o canal, o vídeo do canal. Quem quiser fazer a doação, Pix ajuda. E quem quiser participar da comunidade de sorte, galera, também dá um link aí na descrição e lá para participar de algumas notícias diárias, de gameplay e tudo. Das outras partes também. É isso aí. Obrigado a vocês